Hey guys, so if your Xiaomi vacuum mop stopped mopping, if it stopped releasing water, here's what you can do to fix it. So first open it up and remove the 2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank or just water tank if that's what you have. Open the cap at the top, make sure you stand over a sink and you should see water releasing from the bottom two valves. If it's not releasing, then your valves are blocked and you should use something to open up that blockage. In my case, however, you'll notice there are these two pins in the bottom left corner. If these two pins don't make contact with the vacuum mop, it can't release water. As current passes through those pins, the water is released from the valves. So here's where the connection is from my vacuum mop. And as you can clearly see here, the left pin has some corrosion on it, which prevents it from making contact with the pins on the water tank. To fix this problem, I add some solder to the pin that has corrosion on it to restore the conductivity between the pins on the vacuum mop and the pins on the water tank. Be sure to power down your vacuum mop before performing any soldering work. Once you're done, reinstall the water tank and perform a mopping operation on the vacuum mop. If you did everything correctly, you should clearly hear the following sound as water is released from the water tank. And you should clearly see a trail of water following your vacuum mop as it successfully mops your floors once again. I hope this helped you and I hope you have a great day.